Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos halal. Start by choosing halal certified protein and checking labels carefully before shopping. Focus on simple swaps like halal beef, chicken, or plant-based fillings and halal certified spices. Keep raw and cooked foods separate and clean all surfaces and utensils. Season boldly with cumin, paprika, and lime for bright flavor. Taste frequently and adjust seasoning to make tacos you and your guests will love. Warm up your seasonings and choose halal-certified sauces to keep everything compliant and tasty. Combine garlic, cumin, chili powder, lime, and a bit of olive oil to make a simple marinade that complements chicken or beef. Marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight for best results, then sear or grill to lock in juices. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime to balance spice and add brightness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting multiple timers, streaming recipe playlists, and hands-free conversions while you cook. It makes the kitchen flow smoother and the mood better. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose tortillas that are free from lard or animal fats and warm them gently on a skillet for pliability. Prepare fresh toppings like pico de gallo, sliced onion, cilantro, and avocado to add texture and brightness. Provide both dairy and non-dairy choices such as cheese and vegan crema so guests can customize. Assemble tacos with care, layering protein, toppings, and a final squeeze of lime for an authentic, balanced bite every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.